sweethearts. Welcome back. If you're new here, welcome. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Beauty, beauty, beauty is what I'm calling these Maverick locks. You guys, if you love and like what you see, stay tuned and I'll show you just how to get this done. Our subscriber of the week goes to, and I thank you. Let's just get started, sweethearts. I did my hair last night so it won't have too much tension on my hair when I am crocheting these in. Loves, the hair that I'll be using today is Knowledge Rest from the Janet collection, and I'll be using 1B in Bug and in 24 inches, you guys. These are called Maverick locks. When I say I'm in love, I am in love. All of my products are going to be listed in the description box below, Sweety Pies. Make sure you're oiling and greasing your scalp, you guys. When I say doing locks are simple and easy, the only hard part about doing this is the base, which is the braids or the twist from underneath. That's the only hard part. So this part, all you're going to do is grab the crochet. You're going to pull your natural hair through that crochet hair hook from the lock. You're going to put that in there and you're going to adjust it to whatever size you fit. By when you put your needle underneath your natural hair, you make sure it's in the middle of that braid, and then you're going to make sure if it's too short or too long, just get it just right enough so you can wrap it. So grab your springy afro twist, and when I say do not wrap too tight, you want to wrap it just tight enough to where it's loose, to where it's not too tight, but it's not as tight, because believe me, you don't want you don't want to pull your hair out with the heaviness of it. And mind you, it's not heavy, but when you're having a lot of these on your head, it can get a little heavy. I know that was a lot all in one sentence, but I hope you got it. I hope you can take a look at this a little more carefully. I'm going to take this one a little slower so you can get the idea of how to do it. So all you're doing is putting your natural hair through the loop of the lock. Then you're going to take your natural hair, which is that braid, and you're going to crochet that underneath the braid by pulling that through. You're going to pull it through underneath your braid. Then you're going to adjust it. When you're wrapping your hair, do you want it to be longer on your base, or do you want it to be shorter? I want mine to be shorter, so I'm putting it closer to my scalp. Now when you're wrapping, you're going to wrap around, and you're going to not wrap as tight. As you're wrapping, pull the hair, pull your left hand down, pulling it down to where it's, again, you're just wrapping around to cover up your natural hair. That is the lock. That's what makes it look natural. That is how you lock your hair. What I love about this kinky afro hair is you don't need no glue or anything. All you're going to do is just grab it when you get and twist and rub it together. That's all you're going to do is rub it and mend it together, and it will stay no matter what you do. It will not go anywhere. Sweethearts, I will link a video down below to help you remove this hair when you are done. It is easy and it is simple, you guys. Just as it's easy to put up, it's easy and simple to take down. All right, I'm gonna finish this up and I'll be right back with you in a moment. And we are all done with this, you guys. Remember, the only hard part was the base. Other than that, simple, quick, and easy. So we're just going to finish up with our black control, you guys. Simple, easy. Just add a couple little dollops on your edges and just swoop them in. That's all you do for your edges. You don't need to do too much, just make it look neat. That's the goal here when you are doing your own natural hair and turning it into a masterpiece. You can do this. You got this. I believe in you. And these are the finished results, my love. Bomb Bigot T. Oh my goodness, I'm in love with it. Maverick Locs, 24 inches. As you can see, I highlighted the black instead of the bug. You guys, I'm enjoying this. If you really love this hairstyle, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. I love you, even if I don't know you. I'll see you guys next time.